welcome back to Fidgets channel.
That's
not Mommy's channel, Fidgets channel. I have a big announcement. Fidgets moved out of little baby nursery into big mansion.
yeah, and you need to clean.
Mommy has dirty mansion. Very dirty mansion.
Hey, it's not my fault. You're the one who moved into this place, so you need to clean it up.
No, you didn't take care of mansion, Mommy.
No.
Okay, this is Fidget's new house. Yes, I got top floor of mansion.
Well, you're taking care of the house.
No, Mommy take care of the rest of house because Mommy made it dirty. Okay, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, we have Fidget's bed, right?
Yes.
Okay, Fidget's mermaid tail blanket. Mommy will do video on this if you like. Fidgets can sleep in mermaid tail blanket. It's very comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fidgets go inside.
And it fits the Nerlies perfectly.
Oh, it's so comfy.
Yeah, and you can do any type of fabric, fleece, and any type of like matte, like stuff that looks glittery.
So nice.
And you can make it any size for your babies.
This is Fidget's box. I keep things in here sometimes.
That's actually supposed to be a trash can, Fidget.
I could also sit on box. It's very nice.
Maybe you can put Max in that.
I could not fit Max in here. Blueberry's head too big. Oh, too big. Okay, I put back. Okay.
Hey, Max,
there's my trash can box.
Sister's
okay, and I also have Fidget's favorite blankies from Nerlie Baby World. Yes,
So we have her
from Adoption Center. My clothes.
Yeah, she's gonna wear this today.
My big bubble.
Yeah.
And then
This is
comfy bed.
Yeah. She actually has a big girl bed.
This is my big girl bed. It's very comfy.
Yeah,
and
but she still
then
needs the rims.
recliner chair for relaxing
And also
purposes.
you have a balcony.
And balcony where I stare down
Into the big
into
house.
big hamster cage. Oh.
Yeah, that was the surprise.
I will someday get to eat big hamster. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy Fidget's brand new house.
Max is gonna be...
Max, get out of my house! Mommy. Okay, good. He's gone. I will eat him when he's sleeping. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more.